So there it is, right? So right now, if we take a look at this guy, there's our diamond head at a much lower resolution. You'll notice I do have some ortho imagery in there. I can't remember if I turned it on or not. But if I did, that would obviously just pop right in there and drape over top of it. There's also feature classes associated, or features associated with that. If I want to hover it above the surface, I can do that. So notice off in the distance there, we're completely flat. Diamond head is no flatter than I've ever seen it in my entire life. So we can do this add services command, and that allows us to basically browse to a lot of these different file formats and be able to add them. So I've got, trying to find myself there. So in this particular case, I'm going to look in the elevation file folder. I've got some detailed data stored in IMG format, which is the ERDAS format in this particular case. And I'll simply go ahead and select the ERDAS format. You see we have a lot of different options for bringing in these data. Simply go ahead and do that, add it, and away we go. So once we've done that, you'll notice our surface will update immediately in that area. You see the back area start to pop up, right? So that's very, very nice. But one of the things that we've also done, does anybody know about display by scale? Right? Everybody understands display by scale? Well, display by scale works inside of the 3D environment just like it does the 2D environment. So when you're zooming in, you can have sort of areas, you can have features popping in and popping out. But we do it with elevation as well, because we may not want to be super high resolution when we're zoomed right out. So what we've done is we've added this ability to manage our surfaces when they're inside of the system. And we can turn them on, turn them off, and we can actually remove them if we want to. We can place them on top of each other so they take precedence over there. And there we can actually do a display by scale. That looks familiar. We've all seen that before. And we can actually have it toggling on and toggling off as we're zooming in and zooming out. Very nice feature to be able to have and the ability to do that. You have high resolution imagery, you can play, or not high resolution digital elevation models that take precedence. You do the layering, it knows which one to use and away you go. Okay? The other key component here is that if you're creating your surfaces in GeoMedia Grid, it supports GeoMedia Grid right out of the box. You actually just do the MFM, you just add it as a surface, no problems there whatsoever. Okay? There you go. All right.